C-5A Galaxy showed off her majesty as she took off into the skies above her home base. This great plane and others like her fly out of Westover. Jim Gallup has been flying the C-5 for 3 years.
In this airplane, you're sitting 35 feet above the ground, just in the cockpit. The tail of the aircraft is 65 feet above ground level. So, but when you get into it, and your first landing is not much different than doing a C-130 or C-123s or some of the other stuff we've flown. So the picture is a little bit different. It takes a little while to get used to that picture, but otherwise it's like any other airplane to fly. Handles very well and is very responsive. So it's, from a pilot standpoint, it's a nice flying airplane.
This aircraft is based right here at Westover Air Force Base as a member of the 439th Military Airlift Wing. The aircraft contains over 5 miles of control cables.
The C-5 is a heavy cargo transport. It's designed to provide massive strategic airlift for deployment and to supply combat and support forces. The Galaxy can carry unusually large cargo loads on intercontinental flights at jet speeds. The plane can take off and land in relatively short distances and can taxi on substandard surfaces during emergency operations. The C-5A Galaxy is the free world's largest aircraft. It's almost as long as a football field, as high as a 6-story building, and has a cargo compartment about the size of an 8-lane bowling alley. It's the only aircraft that can transport virtually any piece of the Army's combat equipment.
This is the engineer's panel here, and the engineer takes care of all the systems on the aircraft, which include hydraulics, pressurization, temperature, fuel, and any other systems-related type of management is done from this panel here. The engineer is a key member of the crew and ensures that everything is running smoothly. Down here, this screen is called a MADAR, and that goes out and monitors a number of different areas on the aircraft, everything from engine vibrations to any other malfunction that we may find. If he gets a readout on the MADAR, then he can go in and bring up microfilm to walk him through the troubleshooting procedures and hopefully to fix the problem. We have an old saying in the C-5 business, there's only one real emergency, and that's death of the engineer. So he's key.
Except for emergencies or unusual circumstances, the C-5 doesn't carry troops on the lower deck cargo compartment. It does have 73 seats for personnel in the rear of the upper deck. The forward deck accommodates a crew of 6, a relief crew of 7, and 8 other passengers.
Testing 2. 2 lights. Manual. Back to auto. Down to 3. I got 2 lights.
Okay, we need to get it down so we can bleed the airspeed off.
Yeah. Well, at least we'll put us down in front of the crowd.
Yeah, this is going to work out well. Watch your bank and roll it get real low.
Okay.